Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Using in the morning only half a spoonful of this spice for 30 days, incredible changes will occur in your body. Incredibly, this spice helped me to drop many pills. Cinnamon is much more powerful than most people think. That you had an idea, in ancient times cinnamon was considered a more valuable commodity than gold. Cinnamon has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-infective and anticoagulant properties. Appreciate every moment of your life, smile more often and will be healthy. Cinnamon will help you solve these 7 health problems, but its benefits are not limited to this. 1. Control of blood sugar level. For people with type 2 diabetes, cinnamon is simply necessary. Cinnamon stimulates insulin receptors and inhibits an inactive enzyme, improving the ability of cells to use glucose. Using only half teaspoon 2 times a day, morning and evening, you will significantly improve your health and well-being. It's a great idea to add cinnamon to a cup of cocoa. 2. Activates the work of the brain. Do you have forgetfulness and trouble concentrating? Then include in your daily diet half a teaspoon of cinnamon and you will soon notice tangible results. 3. Cardiovascular system. Regular use of cinnamon strengthens the vessels, making them flexible. This significantly reduces the risk of developing heart attacks. 4. Improve the work of the stomach and intestines. Cinnamon helps to get rid of many problems with digestion, improve digestion, relieve of increased gas production, diarrhea, constipation, gastritis, etc. 5. Reduces the risk of developing cancer. Many studies confirm that cinnamon can significantly reduce the risk of developing cancer, and also helps fight cancer cells if the disease already exists. And this is another way to reason to regularly eat cinnamon. 6. Activates blood circulation. Do you have blood circulation and constantly freeze hands and feet? Then drink a cup of cocoa and a half teaspoon of cinnamon for breakfast and you will notice significant results in a week. How correctly to consume cinnamon? Very important. Use only natural cinnamon. Ideally buy cinnamon sticks and grind them into powder at home with a coffee grinder or a blender. Add half a teaspoon of this wonderful spice to your morning drink or cereal and you will very soon notice how your well-being and mood improves. You can also mix 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder with 200 milliliters of natural honey and take 1 teaspoonful 2 times a day. It is important every day to have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You cannot eat cinnamon pregnant women, nursing mothers and hypertensives. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.